How to increase laptop battery life, tips and tricks. 1. Adjust screen brightness to extend laptop battery life. It is one of the best way to increase laptop battery life. Screen of any laptop is the biggest battery drainer among all component. If your battery charge is low and you want to do some important task, just reduce the screen brightness level to its lowest. If want to get maximum battery life, you can choose for power saver plan, but it will reduce the performance of laptop on battery. Number 2. Keep laptop cool. After continuous usage, laptop from its inside generates heat. Due to this heat, CPU becomes slow and takes more power to process any task. For this, you should keep that laptop at a ventilated place. Using a cooling pad is highly recommended to keep your laptop cool. While using laptop, you should not put that on any pillow or bed, as it will block airflow between an air vent and cause heating. Number 3. Battery maintenance. If you have recently purchased a new laptop or put a brand new battery in laptop, then make note to maintain the laptop battery. You should remove the battery and clean up the dust. If you use laptop mostly from home or one place, it is highly recommended to discharge the battery properly once in 10 days and then recharge it fully. Number 4. Uninstall unwanted program. Go to your laptop Windows control panel and check for any unwanted program in Programs and Features. If you found any unwanted software installed, uninstall that software. Many times you are not aware of some program which are unnecessarily consuming system resources without any need. It will result in more battery consumption. So you should remove these type of software. Number 5. Stop unnecessary services. Most of the today's laptop have built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These radio services consumes power resources. Disable or stop these radio services. You should only enable these services when you need them. Number 6. Unplug external devices which are not in use. External devices like mouse, pen drive, data card, webcam etc. also consumes battery juice. So should unplug all that external devices which are not in use. One more point should be noted, that in order to save battery life, run CD or DVD only when laptop is plugged in an outlet. Number 7. Stop multitasking. It is wise to avoid multitasking when you are running laptop on battery. Number 8. Miscellaneous tips. Use a laptop with latest Intel Core processors. Latest Intel Core processors are known for providing long battery life. Keep your laptop dust-free so that dust do not block ventilation fans. Use laptop's touchpad instead of mouse. Keep every software updated. And install latest recommended drivers of graphics processing unit.